Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 225. This is for one box of Series 2. It is case 1, box 5 of 12 of a freshly sealed case. The serial number you see there will be shown before we open up the box, so you know we are opening the box we indeed intended to. And if you watch break number 221 on YouTube, when I send you the link, you'll see that I opened up a fresh case and I labeled them all, and this is box number 5, and I labeled this serial number to be the box that we're opening today. I couldn't post it in the listings but before because this was listed over a week ago and I didn't get the boxes till this Wednesday. So there you have it. And again, watch box break number 221 to show that I am showing this serial number, and it is numbered box 5. This ended Friday, March 26, 2021. I have a few new people here, so let's just go through the rules quickly. Let's pick Filth to Riches. He or she owns the San Jose Sharks. When I open this box, there's going to be 26 hits. Out of those 26 hits, if any of them are San Jose Sharks, I will mail them to Filth to Riches. In the unfortunate event there are no San Jose Shark cards, Filth to Riches will not be receiving a package from me from this break. That's how group breaks work. And because there's 26 hits, that's why there's a 50 cents per team charge. That helps to the overall group break. You may not get it hit, and you still have to pay the 50 cents. Please don't ask for a rebate of 50 cents if you didn't get a card. It's all listed in the description, and that's how we do it. But I really hope everybody does get something, and with the amount of product that comes out of here, chances are you will grab something. So I want to thank everybody for paying. Let's get to it. Canuck AC has the Hurricanes, the Flyers, and the Flyers. Kraka 12 owns the Hawks and the Canucks. Damo 9333 has the Coyotes, the Stars, and the Islanders. Digre 145 has the Leafs. Filth to Riches does indeed own the Sharks. Fresha 63 has the Kings, the Predators, and the Capitals. Good Call 4242 has the Jackets. Hockey MC3 has the Avalanche. Mazelma owns the Wild. Magoo owns the Tampa Bay Lightning. Nuxelkman has the Ducks, the Panthers, and the Knights. Piputty 13 has the Flames. Pierre Talbot 7 has the Oilers. Sageman has the Bruins. Sam Sports Collectibles has the Jets. Sergeant B has the Canadiens. Sajam has the Penguins. Sruff FO91 has the Sabres. Strobit has the Red Wings, the Rangers, and the Blues. Bill 67 has the Senators. And rounding us out, Zed Brown owns the New Jersey Devils. So, 29564. Let's show that before we open. 29564, labeled number 5. This is the 5th box I took out of the case, and I marked it. And again, if you watch break 221 on YouTube, you'll see this exact box being pulled out and nominated for box break number 5. Good luck, everybody. I hope nothing but monsters. Here we go. And there's been a few boxes with few packs with 2 hits in them. So the last few boxes have had 26 hits. That is a lot of product that needs to go out the door. Here we go. Pack 1. And we're going to go slowly so we can see if we fit a French variant. Just going to raise my chair a bit here. There we go. That's a bit better so I can see better. And our first hit is a Peyton Krebs for your Vegas Knights. Just going to scan through, make sure that there's no French variants because they like to hide them. Much easier when it's on a young gun, Jean Loops. And we have a rookie materials, Lucas Carlson, not bad, for your Chicago Blackhawks. And no French variant in that pack. Let me see if I can adjust the cam here so we... That's better. I can see it focused the whole time. Much better. And we have a marquee rookies, Reed Duke, for your Vegas Knights. Like I said, every pack has a hit. Some packs have two, so I'm just scouring through to see if there's a French variant that we may allow. Our rookie Upper Deck portrait for your New York Rangers, Vitaly Kravtsov. Nice hit for the Rangers. Oh, out of focus again. Why? I'll just come up a little closer. There we go. And we have an award winners, Matt Dumba for your Minnesota Wild. We have a Dazzler coming up, and usually with the Dazzler, there's also a canvas. And it didn't let us down. Alex Ovechkin, Washington Capitals canvas, and a Vitaly Kravtsov blue Dazzler. Another hit for the Rangers. And no French variant in this pack. Be sick to have three. Young Gun incoming, our first one of the box. For your Vancouver Canucks, Yellen Chatfield. Congratulations to Vancouver. And no French variant. Igor Zamula for your Philadelphia Flyers, Upper Deck Portrait Rookies. And there it is, French variant. It's fitting that it lands on a Montreal Canadian, Jesperi Kotkaniemi. Variant Francais. Congratulations to Montreal. So I won't take too much time going through them now. I will still look at them, but you're not getting more than one per box, but we will go quicker now. And we have a marquee rookies, Mackenzie and Whistle for your Chicago Blackhawks. So we've hit the two packs with two hits. So again, 26 hits coming out of here. And we have a canvas for your Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice in-action shot of Evgeny Malkin. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. Young Gun incoming. For your Chicago Blackhawks, Kevin Lankinen. Feels like they put the packaging a little bit bigger in this. Marquee rookies, Alec Regula for your Chicago Blackhawks. Young Gun incoming. And I believe it is a Upper Deck exclusive. Very nice. For your New Jersey Devils. It's nice when it lands on a Young Gun. 63 out of 100. Ty Smith for your New Jersey Devils. Congratulations to New Jersey. Big hit. That is a monster. Usually they give you one or 2 exclusives, but very rarely does it land on a young gun. Award winners, Bobby Ryan, green, for your Ottawa Senators. Young gun incoming. Knock on the door. Nobody's home. He went away. Kirill Karpatsov. There we have it in box 5. The good news is, perhaps there is a second one. Congratulations to Minnesota. We might want to send that tract. So, my email is joecolosimo13, the number 13 at gmail.com. If you want to reach out to me, maybe we'll go back to wait till the end of the break, and I'll put it on the Excel workbook, and you can see it there. If anybody wants to reach out for base cards or for tracking. Young gun incoming for your Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon Hagel. Another nice card for the Blackhawks. eBay no longer allows you to email your email, so I'm going to post it at the top, and maybe I should do that just at the beginning going forward. Maybe I'll do that. Alex Regula again for your Chicago Blackhawks, Upper Deck Portrait Rookies version. Upper Deck Rookies Portraits, Jonas Johansson for your Buffalo Sabres. A few packs to go here still. This is it for the week. Hope to see you guys starting Monday. We are going again. Young gun incoming for your Washington Capitals, Brian Pinto. Congrats to Washington. Oh, out of focus again. Canvas for your New York Islanders, Anders Lee. I hate when it goes out of focus when we're down here. Marquee Rookies, not bad. Nick Robertson for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Young gun incoming. Feels like they gave us a lot this round. For your Calgary Flames, Alexander Yellison. Nice hit for Calgary. 2 packs to go. That card felt thicker. For your Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Upper Deck Canvas. Final pack. Thanks, everybody. Hope to see you guys on Monday. And we have a Marquee Rookies, Connor Ingram, for your Nashville Predators. And there you have it. 26 hits, as promised, as advertised. Big hits in there. A Krell and an exclusive. So, good luck. Thanks everybody for coming, and hope to see you guys Monday. Oh, I'm going to flip and show you my email. I'll just type it in here. And there you have it. JoeColosimo13 at gmail.com. Thanks, everybody. Bye.